Accounting is so much more than just numbers and spreadsheets. With the possibility of training in business practice of banking, once qualified, chartered accountants are found working in high-level jobs in companies all over the world. Our courses are accredited by the Association of Accounting Technicians, the world's leading professional body for accountants, of which you'll start your professional journey by becoming a member. You can study full-time, part-time, or take a blended approach of face-to-face and online learning at our City of Newport campus. During your time with us, you'll gain practical, hands-on experience and gain internationally recognised finance and accountancy skills in preparation for your exam. Our experienced staff members are always on hand to support you to progress onto further studies or gain employment. Where will your accountancy journey take you? Find out more about our accountancy courses via our course search or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.